If you are locked out of your iPhone SE2 or SE3 because you forgot your passcode, or you just want to erase your device because it's old and you get a new one, here's how to reset your iPhone SE2 or iPhone SE3. First, a little warning. If you do not know your Apple ID or password that you used on your device, then you will not be able to get back into your device. If you're not locked out of your device and you know your Apple ID password, go to Settings, tap on your name at the top, then scroll to the bottom where it says Sign Out. Enter your password, follow the on-screen steps, and you'll be signed out. Next, you need a computer. Mac or Windows, it doesn't matter, but there's different steps for each. Look at the chapters below for instructions on your specific computer. On Windows, you'll need iTunes. You can download it from the link in the description or from the Microsoft Store. This will work on Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, or 11. For Macs running macOS Catalina 10.15 or newer, you need the Finder. When you plug your device in, you should see it on your sidebar. If it doesn't show up, go to the menu bar, click Finder, click on Settings or Preferences depending on which macOS you're running. Under sidebar, make sure CDs, DVDs, and iOS devices is checked. For Macs running OS X El Capitan 10.11.6 through macOS Mojave 10.14.6, you need the latest version of iTunes supported on these OSs. They should be pre-installed, but if it isn't, click the link in the description to install it. Next, you need to power off your device. Now to enter recovery mode, press and hold the side button and immediately plug your device into your computer until recovery mode pops up, like this. Once recovery mode pops up, click on where it says Restore iPhone. Click on Yes or Agree to all the pop-ups, and it'll start installing the latest version of iOS. This might take a while depending on the age of your computer and your internet connection. Then it will start the restoration and updating process. Once it's complete, you'll be brought to the Hello screen on your iPhone. Simply set up your device as if it's brand new and you're done. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know and I'll try to get back to you in the comments. Thanks for watching.